Hi everybody, I hope you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. Today I'm going to be trying a new technique and making a larger style cookie. It is going to be fairy themed and I hope this all works out really well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got some brown Royal Icing right here. It's on the thicker side. I've got my scraper. And I've got some parchment paper. So I'm going to start by crumpling my parchment paper. I'm going to open it back up and take a look at it and see how the crumples look. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to open up my bag of brown Royal Icing and I'm just going to spread a bunch on the parchment paper. You want to make sure that your icing's on the thicker side so it is easier to come off the parchment paper, or because otherwise it can break really easily. So I'm going to drag this across it. Whoops. I'm going to drag this across it. Okay. Alright. So you can see it's pretty thick. I'm going to drag some this way. Absolutely make sure you get covered in it. I'm going to add some more. I saw this technique being done with chocolate on Instagram and I thought it would probably work for Royal Icing, and that's the reason I am doing it. Anyway, so I'm going to pick up my scraper. It is now disgusting. And I'm going to smooth that. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth at all. Jagged edges are fine. You know, you want to maintain some thickness, like I said, so it doesn't break so easily. But you don't want it too thick at the same time. So, there we go. Alright, and I'm going to sit that to the side to dry for about 24 hours. So it's 24 hours later. I'm going to start trying to peel some of this up. It doesn't feel fully dry, so I may have to stop and try again tomorrow, but I'm going to give it a shot now. So yeah, let's just start peeling. So, I don't know how I want to do this. Okay, so we're going to just start rolling. Oh my gosh, look at it. Look, it's so perfect. Let's see. You can see it. There we go. It's so perfect. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is not dry right here. This is not dry. So we're going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to see if I can get some from this edge, and then we'll stop. Whoa, look at them. Look, it's so cute. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Some more. So I'm going to flip all these up, but I'm going to leave the rest of this for tomorrow, and I'll see you in another 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so we're here the next day. It's still a little damp, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen it with this tool right here. just helping me move it up a bit. And here are some larger pieces. I just love it. So I'm going to continue to take these off in chunks, and then we'll start on the cookie design. Just love it. Okay. I hope you enjoyed seeing me try this new technique. If you did, hit the like button down below, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And check back next time to see the cookie that I made using the bark. Until next time, bye!